Cataracts and glaucoma are a thing of the past. Recover your vision. Save this video so you don't lose it. Today I share with you a powerful natural recipe to restore vision that is easy to prepare at home. First, take a banana, peel it and cut it into pieces. Bananas contain vitamin A, which protects the eyes, maintains normal vision, and improves night vision. Now we will need 2 carrots. Friends, share this video with someone who needs it. Peel and cut the carrots. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, and vitamin A is important for healthy vision. Take an orange, peel it, and cut it into pieces. Oranges contain vitamin C, which is crucial for eye health. And vitamin C greatly reduces the risk of cataracts. Put everything in a blender, add 250 ml of water and blend. We're making a powerful drink that works for all ages. Prepare. Drink a glass 30 minutes before meals, twice a day, and you will see results in the first week.